Hello everybody, I'm that Kamen Rider guy, and today is the Grease Blizzard Knuckle. I actually picked this up quite recently, and I decided since it's a simple little item, I'd go ahead and do this one right now. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't call it simple, but it's fairly straightforward. Put those aside. Here is the full bottle. Now, unlike literally every other full bottle, it doesn't have that thing in the middle that makes it go rattle, rattle, rattle. Just empty. And here is the knuckle. Thank you for joining us with this quick little unboxing and review. And this actually wasn't an easy one because for some reason my build driver was not cooperating. Like when I put the knuckle in, the build driver was silent. It's not doing anything. I might have to trade it up for a newer one soon. I have no idea. But anyways, thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know any kind of videos you guys want to see in the future, like what it relates to, and if I have it, I'll do it. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Remember, it's always Henshin time.